Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Xcel Florida Vacations Supplier Portal. Through the portal, you will be able to confirm bookings in real time, upload all the information regarding location and access to the homes, and manage your confirmed bookings. To obtain your login credentials, please email info@xcelflorida.com with Request Supplier Portal Login Credentials on the subject line. Please email from the address that you use for reservations. Upon receiving your request, we will send you an email with an invitation to create a password and a link to access the portal. Your email address and your password will be your permanent login credentials. Once your password is created, you will be directed to the supplier portal. We strongly suggest that you bookmark the site, save it to your desktop, or save the link where you will have easy access to it. The next time you log in, you will be asked for your email and password. The following instructions will show you how to navigate around the portal to allow you to sort available bookings into categories, such as arrival date and type, accept and confirm bookings, and to modify bookings, as well as upload home information. On the top left of the landing page is the menu of options. Supplier Bookings is the header. The Available Bookings tab shows all available bookings in real time. Once they are booked, they are removed from the portal instantly. The Confirmed Bookings tab shows all bookings confirmed by your company. Sorting Bookings. The system offers a variety of ways to sort the available bookings. You can export all the bookings or selected bookings to an Excel spreadsheet and manipulate the bookings to your preference, or you can sort the bookings within the system. On your first visit to the landing page, all the available bookings will be shown. On subsequent visits, you should always clear your search preferences. There are 3 icons which allow you to navigate through the system: the magnifying glass, the eye, and the 3 horizontal lines. Once you are comfortable with the system, you can toggle between icons to customize the available bookings to create a refined search. The magnifying glass is the primary search tool for sorting the bookings to be shown on the Available Bookings tab. If you just want to see 3-bed finest bookings that arrive in April, simply click on the magnifying glass. Check the arrival date box and use the drop-down menus to enter the date range that you are searching for. Check the accommodation type box and enter 3 finest. Scroll to the bottom and click search. This will then display all the 3-bed finest bookings arriving in the month of April. The eye is simply a column chooser. On the 3-bed bookings arriving in April search, you can click on the eye and choose accommodation type, name, and the amount due to the management company. Scroll to the bottom and click Done. Now you will see on the Available Bookings page only the 3-bed finest homes and the amount paid to the management company. The 3 horizontal lines are used primarily to export your searches to Excel spreadsheets. Click the 3 horizontal lines and scroll down to Export. Click on Export and choose your format. Confirming Bookings. At any time during your searches, you can click on Accept Booking to capture a specific booking. You will be taken into the booking record. At this point, all that we require is that you scroll down to Management Company Confirmation and enter a confirmation number into the box. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Update. It is important that you update the record in order to confirm the booking. While in the booking record, you have the opportunity to enter the home address and details at this time, or you can wait until a later date. We do require all the home information to be entered at least 1 week prior to arrival. Once you have entered the information, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Update. We do require the information to be entered before we can prepay for the booking. Once you have confirmed the booking, it will appear on the Confirmed Bookings tab on the main landing page. To enter home information at a later date from the Confirmed Bookings page, locate your reservation and then simply hover over the 3 dots to the immediate left of the booking. Click on the dots and choose Modify. This will take you back into the record where you can enter the required information. Remember to update the record at the bottom of the page. If you need to search for bookings that do not have the address and access details entered on the Confirm Booking page, then click on the magnifying glass and scroll down to Address. Using the drop-down menu, click on Is Empty. Scroll down and click on Search, and this will display all of the bookings that require address information. This concludes this informational presentation on how to use the supplier portal. If you need further assistance, please contact us at info@excelflorida.com, and we can set up a Zoom tutorial and we can work on a shared screen.